Okay.
It is there for 2-3 hours. The fuel will also come out from the plane.
Yeah.
And it will be like the pilot will be not able to see which destination we are going.
Yeah.
That portion.
So you want to know how pilots fly the plane when they can't see the ground,
Yes.
or when they can't see outside.
Yes.
Very nice. Well, so in olden days there used to be no way of flying an aircraft when when the visibility is bad. But these days our electronic gadgets have made it possible for us to carry out aircraft operations even when the visibility is bad. So one of the most common thing you must have seen is what is called as the instrument landing system. So just in case you must have heard, there is something called the instrument landing system. So this is for landing, but there are similar equipment available for the other functions like takeoff also. So in instrument landing system, what happens is there are some radio waves which are transmitted, and there is one equipment inside the aircraft which senses these radio waves and finds out whether the aircraft is at the correct height at the correct place, right? And thereafter, the instruments will keep telling you whether you should continue to go down, or you maintain level for some time, or you have to go up. So all these things are calibrated. There are various categories of ILS also. It is called ILS, Instrument Landing System. There are like Cat 1, Cat A, Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3 ILS, and there is something called Cat 3A, Cat 3B, Cat 3C ILS. When you go to the highest category of Category 3C ILS, then the aircraft can actually land without seeing anything on the runway. Even blind landing, the pilot will be able to do in Cat 3C ILS. But then, as you know, it's a very dangerous thing. So there are a lot of checks and balances which are there. For that, the aircraft should be capable. The aircraft should have the required equipment to carry out a Cat 3C ILS landing. The runway should have the required capability to receive an aircraft on Cat 3C ILS. And thirdly, what is the most important? The pilot should also be qualified. The pilot should be qualified to operate this Cat 3C ILS effectively. So when all these conditions fit, then you can actually not only land, you can actually taxi to the bay. In today's technology is advanced to that level, it can actually take you to the place where the aircraft is supposed to be parked using Cat 3C ILS. I suppose this will do for today, right?